God doesn't come into these woods anymore.
Baker 1, this is Vance. Signal is weak. Do you copy? The line's cut. We're dead in the water, Miller. Hold on, Miller. I'm gonna get this line back up.
Don't leave me, Silas, please.
Where is it? Woo. Where is the break in this damn wire?
Silas.
Silas, it's getting so cold in the trench. Don't drag it up.
Move. You frozen fingers. Move.
I'm coming back for you, Miller. Just stay with me. Is the stove on, Ma? It's so cold. I want to tell Dad I'll be home for Sunday dinner. Miller, listen to me. Breathe, Miller. Focus.
Silas. I can't feel my legs. It's so cold, Silas.
HQ, forget the coordinates. Miller is dying. We need a medic at the wire, damn you.
Cover your head. Miller, stay down. Just keep breathing, son. Just keep breathing.
The signal's gone. I have to go back out there. Look at me, Miller. Stay with me.
Lord, don't let him find me in this hole. Lord, don't let him find me in this hole.
Come on. Just give me a little slack, you bastard.
The big guns are singing.
But they ain't singing for us.
Please. Don't. Please. Hit the... Stop it! Just stop fighting me! You're gonna get us both killed!
Get out of here. Just go before the others find you.
Run! Get out of here! Just go before the others find you! Just a little more. Stay with me, Miller. Just a little more. Miller? Alien? Hey, I got it fixed. I got it.
Mission successful, Vance. Fire mission complete. Hold your position. Out. Understood. Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished.
Hold Prepker's position.